think it's just like I said, maintaining water is our primary objective, and I think that they're going to see the same. I think anytime that they can get back to doing what it is that they do and not having to worry about the power and the generators and things that they're not familiar with, I think they're going to leap at the opportunity. There's so many different systems made by so many different manufacturers that our employees can't possibly know it all. And having a trusted partnership is crucial to any successful organization. The plant really never sleeps. The equipment needs to last and perform for the entire life cycle, and a lack of maintenance is not going to allow that to happen. So, as I said before, our goal with maintenance is to be proactive and not reactive, and proper maintenance is the key to that.